put makeup on, but today is one of the days out of the week that I actually have classes on campus, and I take every opportunity I get to look cute if I am going to see people, so here we go. Alright, good morning guys! I am finally camera ready and ready to face the world, but there's actually one other thing I like to do before I leave the house, and that's put on a little bit of perfume. I actually just discovered this amazing perfume brand called Dossier. I have two scents from them, green Verbana and a floral lavender. I love them both, but today I'm feeling a little floral because it is spring. So Dossier is a perfume brand that offers affordable alternatives to really high-end luxury perfumes. Think your YSL, Chanel, Gucci for as low as $29, and the scents, guys, are absolutely amazing and they will last. They're also completely vegan, cruelty-free, and even come in these cute little trial bottles so you can try out the scent for a while before just committing to the full bottle. I, of course, love all the scents I have. I use them every morning now, so I'm just taking these trial bottles as my to-go perfumes to use throughout the day. If you want to try out these scents or other scents from Dossier, I have them actually linked in the description down below along with my discount code, so go check it out in the description. Alright, I have a couple more things to do, like eat breakfast before I leave the house, so I'm going to take my little trial perfume, put it in my purse, and head out. I don't always eat leftovers, but on days where I have to be somewhere. So I will see you guys on campus. We're about to go in class. Unfortunately, I don't think I can take you guys in with me. So I will see you back out here. We're out of class. No more class for the rest of today.
Except for me, I have fun.
But we're gonna go grab some food now. I did not finish my panda, but we're gonna take it home and eat it later. Next stop, COVID testing. I'm home, and I'm afraid I'm gonna be a little bit boring now. I have a couple essays to write, so time to get to work. Alright y'all, it is now 5:30. I've been grinding for the past 3 hours, but I've completed everything on my checklist except for workout. So what time is it?
Gym time, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we just got back from the gym. How do you feel? He's dying. Okay, now that you've recovered, what are we doing now?
We're making dinner.
What are we making?
We're making Thai chicken with basil and rice. Should be good.
Ooh. We got our fresh basil plant. We need 1 cup of basil leaves. Also gotta cook some rice.
Yes, we wash our rice, and you should too, please.
Dinner is served. First bite.
It's actually really good. So, let's try it.
I just took a shower and I'm about to start eating dinner. And what's our dinner tradition? What do we do while we eat?
Watch TV.
Yay! We just started a new show on Netflix called Ginny and Georgia. Would recommend. Probably gonna go watch that now. Dinner is done. Least favorite part of the night. Dishes. But thank God I have this one. Alright, time for our nighttime grind. The most productive hours of our day. I think it's time to go to sleep.
Yeah, it's a little late. We have to buy hot dog oil.
Thank you guys for joining me in a day in the life. We're calling it. It's 1 a.m. Yeah. Good night.
I'm going crazy. Yeah, I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸. I'm going crazy.
Alright, thank you guys so much for making it through the whole day with me in a day in the life. If you want to see some full recipes like the Thai basil chicken we ate for dinner, be sure to check out my Patreon linked right here. Otherwise, give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and of course smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.